Google ads or Facebook ads? Which is better and which one should you use for your SMMA? Hey everyone, Derek DeMike here with Two Guys Build a Biz, and you were in the right place because this channel is all about starting, growing, or scaling a social media marketing agency. So if you want to support the channel, give us a like, a subscribe, comment down below, all the good stuff, but let's get into the video. So Google ads or Facebook ads for your agency, which should you use and why? Now I feel like I have some credibility in this space to speak on the topic because I've spent over 7 figures in ad spend on both of these platforms and helped businesses and organizations grow from 0 to 7 figures and beyond through spending on these platforms. So let's outline the strengths of each platform so you can decide which tool is going to be useful to complete the job, because at the end of the day, there are many tools at our disposal and each one of these platforms is a singular tool that we can utilize. So Google ads. Google ads is a fantastic platform simply because you can leverage intent. So why is intent so important? Well, intent is important because it not only allows you to get in front of the right buyer, but it allows you to get in front of the right buyer at the right time. And this is so important. This is also something very unique to Google in contrast to other platforms like Facebook and Instagram, where you can get in front of the right type of demographics, but maybe not necessarily the right type of people at the right time by leveraging intent. So what is intent? It's simply your buyers searching for your product or service online. They're actively going into Google and typing in, I'm looking for XYZ in XYZ city right now, not 10 weeks from now, not 10 days ago, but today. So this is where Google shines because you're able to leverage that intent and really you're capturing low-hanging fruit and you're able to spend a very low amount of ad spend and get a high return or a high return on investment through your ads. So if I was just starting an agency, which you might be if you're searching for this type of video, I would highly recommend starting with Google ads first in your journey of discovering and learning new platforms. And this platform is very easy to learn despite the lack of education that's out there in the space. It's simple. It's simple search ads that you're bidding on keywords. You're not doing any kind of creative elements, videos, pictures. It's simple data. I want to bid on this search. I want to show up for this search and send them to this page. It's really easy to learn, and that's why we teach it first in the SMMA blueprint. So Facebook, what are the strengths here? To me personally, Facebook is all about brand and scalability. So yes, Google is considered the low-hanging fruit, but what if you hit a ceiling of scalability with your ads? Like your search volume is actually low. Maybe you have a new product. You have something that buyers are simply unaware that the product actually exists and the search volume is low. You're going to hit a ceiling no matter how much you spend. You can ask to spend $1,000 a day, but if the market hasn't caught up and isn't searching for it, this is where Facebook can be really powerful to start to convert the heart and minds of people who maybe don't know the product or service actually exists. Also, the visual aspect of Facebook is unique and actually has some advantages over Google because Google, you're simply just going after search inquiries. Sure, you can do videos and more imagery on your landing page, but the ad itself doesn't catch their eye. There isn't a visual component to it like you have on Facebook. So this isn't knocking Facebook at all. This was my go-to platform for many years. I've helped Shopify stores scale from 0 to 30K, 0 to 70K, all through using lookalike audiences, custom audiences, retargeting, video campaigns, all that fun stuff. It all works. But if I was trying to learn ads today, I was just starting my social media marketing agency, I would learn Google first. You can get results really quickly, and when you're first starting out, it's imperative to build trust and get results fast with your clients. And if you're using a platform like Google and getting in front of buyers who want to buy today, you're going to get results much faster than some of these other platforms. So as things like retargeting, cookies disappearing, and social media platforms getting more and more restricted on the data they're allowed to leverage, platforms like Google and YouTube are going to start to shine more and more. Now, you might be thinking, wait, did you just say YouTube? Are you talking about another platform now? Yes, there's another platform, and YouTube, in my opinion, really blends the best of both worlds. You have the searchability and the intent of Google because Google owns YouTube, and you have the visual component of like a Facebook and Instagram because you're able to get in front of people on a predominantly video and visual based platform. The great thing for you is if you learn Google Ads, you inherently already know how to launch YouTube ads because YouTube ads are launched through the Google ad platform, similar to Facebook. This is why in the SMMA blueprint, we teach Google ads and then Facebook ads first, because if you know Google, you know how to launch YouTube ads. And if you know Facebook, you know how to launch Instagram ads because Meta or Facebook owns Instagram. So I love YouTube because you can leverage those visual elements and really help companies that need to do some education in the space while still harnessing the intent data of Google. So if I was starting my SMMA today, I would learn Google first. It's a low barrier to entry in terms of education. You can get started really, really quickly and you can get results fast for your clients. And as a bonus, you'll know how to run YouTube ads because Google owns YouTube. Then I would learn Facebook ads, Instagram ads, maybe even LinkedIn, different platforms that we teach in the SMMA blueprint if I was starting today. And this is exactly what we teach in the SMMA blueprint. It's hands down the best and most complete course out there. You can Google it. Don't just take my word for it. We've been doing this for years and helped thousands of students at this point. So check it out if you want some more technical training, or if you have more questions on like how to run Google ads specifically, or any technical questions around Facebook or Instagram, drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them personally directly in the comments, or shoot another video that's a bit more like screen sharing and show you the ins and outs of the platform and how I like to launch ads myself. Now, if you found any value or insights from this video, drop a like on this video. It really helps us out a lot. And secondly, if you have any questions, please drop them down below. Again, I'm happy to help answer them or maybe cut another video if it's going to be useful for you. Lastly, give us a subscription if you want to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next video.